This video is an eye-opener. An eye-opener for anybody that wants to do change of course. Of course, I've gotten many of you sending me private messages, many of you commenting under the previous videos on this our YouTube channel that you want to do change of course. Let me open your eyes. If you are considering change of course for JAMB, take note of the following. Please don't go and make some crazy mistakes that I've seen a lot of candidates make. Number one, confirm if your subjects, that is the subjects you wrote in your JAMB combination, tally with the new course you are choosing. You have to be sure that the 4 subjects you wrote in your JAMB tallies with the new. For instance, if you wanted to do law in your JAMB and maybe you did not get up to the cutoff mark and you now want to switch over to accounting, right? And you did not write accounting in your JAMB, you can see the difficulty. So you need to be sure that the subject you wrote in JAMB corresponds to the requirement of that particular course you are changing over to. Do you get it? Just pay attention. This is just the number 1. Number 2, confirm the JAMB cutoff mark required by the institution you will be choosing and the specific cutoff mark of the course you will be choosing. Some of you, maybe you opted in for a federal school and now you are going for maybe a private school or a state school. Maybe your cutoff mark for UNN, UNIZIG, UI and all the rest is not enough to get you those federal schools. Then you are now seeking to go to a state school where the cutoff mark is a bit cheaper, lower. You need to confirm the JAMB cutoff mark, the exact cutoff mark of that school for that course, so that you will know if what you got in your JAMB is enough, can give you advantage in that particular place, so that you don't move from frying pan to fire. Do you understand? If you qualify for JAMB cutoff mark with your JAMB score, don't take a risk of choosing a course where your JAMB score is not up to the cut-off mark. So you might actually think that the one you are changing to has a low cut-off mark. Please find out. If you are not sure, ask me. Or if there is any cut-off mark you are not sure of, you are free to ask me. If there is anything you want to know, the university, the cut-off mark, this one, just feel free to ask me now before you make a mistake. If I know, I will tell you. If I don't know, I could take some time to make a research. Okay? Changing of course or institution on JAMB portal can only be done. You cannot do it on your own. Changing of course or institution on JAMB portal can only be done at a JAMB CBT center or JAMB office. You cannot do it on your own. You have to go to a CBT center. You have to go to a CBT center because they will have to do your thumb printing. If anybody tells you online, send money, let me do it, it's a scam. Go to a CBT center and do it by yourself. Let me read it again. Number 1, confirm if your subject combination tally with the new course you will be choosing. 2, confirm the JAMB cutoff mark required by the institution you will be choosing and the specific cutoff mark of the course you will be choosing. If you are to qualify for the JAMB cutoff mark with your JAMB score, don't take a risk of choosing a course where your JAMB score is not up to the cutoff mark. It's a risk. Changing of course or institution on JAMB portal can only be done at a JAMB CBT center. You have to be present because you have to put your fingerprint. Now, if you have any question, if you don't know the cutoff mark, if you are considering a particular university or polytechnic or anyone, please feel free to ask me your questions. Feel free to ask your question. But if you need to speak with me directly, ask your question, go ahead and join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join now. Do that now. Then also click on like this video, click on share, click on this video, share it on YouTube, share it again, copy the link, share to all your friends, your children, everybody, your class group, your friend group, your WIAC group, everybody, share to them. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe. When you subscribe, come under the comment and tell me you have subscribed. Remember to join our YouTube channel, and there's a video on the screen. Click on it now and watch.